Today we will learn how to create a text flash effect which will make your text more eye-catching. Let's get started. I'll write in some text here, but you can type anything you like. Next, go to the effect panel and search Strobe Light. Drag and drop this effect into the layer. Now head over the effect control. You will see the strobe setting where you can choose any color you like. I'll select a color. If we play the video, you can see the effect action. To make the flash effect faster, set the stop duration 0.20 and the stop period to 0.40. Now if we play it, the effect will look like this. If you want, you can add an overlay background behind the text to enhance the effect. I'll add a background here and match it with the text layer. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comment, feel free to share them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.